It's an asymmetrical three-door hatchback that was developed by the former head of BMW's M division, tuned on the Nürburgring, and will be sold alongside more practical Hyundais like the Sonata and the Tucson. Sure, it's weird, but it's also one of the most interesting vehicles to go on sale in the US in a long time. Considering how fun the closely related i30 N was to drive, it's also a safe bet that the Veloster N will be a blast to drive. There were some really cool cars at the show this year, but this one is definitely the coolest. Colin Woodard. The Veloster lineup. The Veloster has long been an unfulfilled promise. A sporty-looking car riding checks its powertrains and suspension couldn't cash. The new Veloster promises to be fun to drive at every trim level and take it to the extreme on America's first-ever N performance model. Hyundai's new head of fun, Albert Biermann, espouses a philosophy of lively, engaging handling over raw performance numbers. It's thinking like that made cars such as the Fiesta ST and Civic C perennial enthusiast favorites, and now more than ever we need fun cars at an affordable price point. The cherry on top is the styling, which finally just looks good rather than just unique. Scott Evans. Inside, the car comes with clock sport seats, a special instrument cluster with the shift indicator, and badge sill plates, a unique steering wheel, shift knob, and blue interior accents. Under the hood is a beefed-up 2.0-liter turbo 4 rated at 275 horsepower and 260 pounds-to-foot of torque that's paired to a close ratio 6-speed manual transmission with downshift rev matching capability. Changes to the engine include an intercooler that's been isolated from the condenser and radiator to improve charge cooling. The transmission features carbon-coated synchro rings and reinforced gears for smoother operation. A double-layer facing clutch disc is used for additional robustness. Like the i30 N, the Veloster N's exhausts have a variable exhaust actuator, and in N mode, produce distinctive pops and crackles. The 2019 Hyundai Veloster N features a unique suspension tuning dubbed N Power Sense axle design. It features a zero scrub radius for better steering.